Prime Creator of all that is, we thank you for this day. We thank you for bringing us together and for the progress we are making. There is commitment and love and joy in our hearts that we are here together doing this work. We acknowledge the greatness of the power within our spirit that is you, and we are humbled and honored to know our station. Let it be so, and so it is.
Hello, my name's Ron Vroman. I'm the old white man talking head for the Oregon Statewide Jural Assembly. I have a page to read. Actually, page and a half because I printed it in large type. To self-correct now is your opportunity. If you are a deputy, detective, jailer, or representative employed by, with, for, in the office of sheriff, with a sheriff that is without a proper oath, then you are in violation of due process and without your own proper oath, without honor, and you agree to it. Why would you accept the rule of the Salem oligarchy, that is a de facto color of law, for profit, incorporated governance for 114 years of fraud with Article 7 amended? When you presume you are correct, you exhibit the same qualities that the Oregon State Bar and its members do with their 12 presumptions of law. They declare that you are an idiot, a ward of their court. Your attorney represents you in that court. That is the same court in which your attorney is a member with an oath. That is not unfettered counsel. Then we come to intuitive. You believe that your intuition is true, a presumption. When you support your intuition with evidence, you prove the theory or the presumption. When there is a preponderance of evidence, the jury makes a conclusion. They name it a verdict. An error is possible. Counterintuitive comes to play. We are no longer deceived. Neither are you. Several people look at the same situation and arrive at a different conclusion. My deceased daughter said, Donald John Trump did more good than bad. The lesser of two evils is still evil. When you acquiesce to evil, you are evil. By their actions, they are known. Democracy is what we have in the District of Columbia. Our representatives make decisions where the majority rules for the United States of Washington District of Columbia, Inc. That is a derivative. People that are party to their states apostrophe S, constitutions apostrophe S, send representatives to a Congress assembled according to the unanimous Declaration of the 13 United States of America, 1776. That bunch agreed to the Confederation and Perpetual Union's Articles, 1777. They named themselves the United States of America. Before they did any of that, they invented, created, derived the United States Marine Corps, 1775, from the U.S. Navy. We are guaranteed a constitutional Republican form of government, not democracy. D.C. is a democracy representing our republic in violation since 1861. SCOTUS agreed that Article 4, Section 4 is not required by them. People know intuitively that an oath is needed for our representatives to protect our best interests. That is their promise to do their best. Then they pretend they do that with with a preponderance of evidence to the contrary, especially after 2 terms. They lie, cheat, and steal, then compromise with the opposition to further their best interests, not ours. When they, not if they, lie, cheat, steal, and compromise correctly, they become reelected incumbents. The better of 2 evils in a system created by our representatives. Government is not a career. It is not for profit. Yesterday, our civilian common law court of record, with all of their bona fides in order, confronted the office of sheriff on Yamhill, Washington, Clackamas, and Multnomah counties. Their representative saw us. 3 met with us face to face in the flesh, facing their accuser, accepting the words spoken without a barrier, accepting the words written into their hand, and then shook hands with our court of 4 from Article 1, Section 1. Sharon Gray, a known representative of Washington County Office of Sheriff, known personally by 2 of our court, Sharon refused to stand and meet with us. She remained behind a glass barrier. That is totally incorrect and unconstitutional actions for our representative. Sharon knew it. The office of sheriff is corrupted. They have no proper oath. Therefore, they have no honor and may not hold a position of trust. They violate the laws of nature and nature's God, their ORS, Oregon Revised Statutes, DPSST, Department of, can't recall, and their county's requirements. That is not rhetoric. And I yield.
They do not want to let go of this. They do not intend on losing here. And we do not intend giving it back to them.
And then the bullets started flying. Then he jumps out of the car. And he's got both his hands up. And he got out of the car, and he had his hands in the air. He's like, just shoot me then. This is what you want, to shoot me. And they did. They shot him dead. With his hands in the air, and I saw it. I swear to God. He was just walking with his hands in the air. And they shot him. And they shot him dead, and then after he was down on the ground, they shot him 3 more times.